Bodyweight triceps dip. Using sturdy dip bars, start with a controlled free hold of your body weight. Drop your chest forward if you want more chest involvement, or focus on staying upright to keep the majority of work on the triceps. Lower under control until your elbow joint reaches 90 degrees, then forcefully squeeze your triceps and push down to blast yourself back up. To make the movement more difficult, squeeze hold a dumbbell between the thighs or wear a weight belt with added plates. Though I wouldn't recommend doing this unless you can perform at least 10 solid reps of the standard version. If you're someone whose elbows hyperextend, do not lock out your arms at the top. Otherwise, it's safe and good to do so for maximum triceps recruitment. If you're not ready for the full move just yet, you can do a bench dip. Hands should be positioned close to your sides. After liftoff, keep your torso as close as possible to the bench, envisioning your movement directly up and down, not forward and backward. For your exercise prescription, check out fitnesspenpal.com or hit me up via social media.